If you want to start using Pro mode on POCO X7 Pro, then in the camera you want to swipe all the way to the left option, and here you will find the Pro mode. In order to find the detailed information about all of these options, you can tap on this eye icon in order to find information. And here we have description of pretty much everything that we can find in the Pro mode. At the top we can switch between the photo mode, the Pro video mode, and so on. So be sure to check them out in order to learn as much as possible about these modes. Now, going from the left to the right over here, we have some first options like the saturation, contrast, and sharpness, where we can adjust it over here and of course reset these options. We can switch between 15 and 26 millimeters lenses, and we can also apply filters pretty much immediately. Then we have the option to set the white balance, so we can change the temperature of the color. We can also set it to automatic. The same goes with the focus. Over here we can adjust it with the shutter speed, as well as the ISO sensitivity and the exposure compensation. Over here we can adjust that. Keep in mind that EV is the only option that cannot be set to automatic. Now, in addition to that, we can also find some additional options over here by tapping on this arrow at the top or by swiping down like so. And for instance, by doing so, we can enable the 50 megapixels camera. However, this option is available only if you use 26 millimeters lenses. But in addition to that, we can set up the timer, we have the exposure verification, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check these options out as well. Furthermore, we can switch between the photo mode and video mode by tapping on this icon on the right side at the bottom. So this is how we can record Pro videos as well. And this icon allows you to create presets for your parameters. So here you can use one of these pre-made presets, or you can create your own one. You can also import parameters if you find them, these presets, somewhere on the internet, if you find them somewhere on the internet. And that is pretty much it. If you need to reset these settings, if you want to return to everything automatic and default, then over here you have this arrow that you can press in order to reset. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!